So he's afraid of water. He's afraid of having a bath. So it's really important for him to understand that he can't get away. So I'm going to turn the water on. Okay, and what he heard was the water. He didn't panic or anything, but he's worried. So I'm going to make sure the water's shut off before he goes anywhere. And right now we have an understanding, but he still thinks that the water is going to eat him. Oh boy. So I want to make sure that I'm prepared and that he understands it's not going to eat him. And that everything's going to be okay. And it's not a big deal. And he's going to just have to stick around and enjoy the cool water after our work.